If you're interested in learning how to eliminate the 3D Bitmoji feature on Snapchat, you have landed in the right place. Sometimes it can be quite helpful and the process is straightforward. Begin by opening your Snapchat app and tapping on your avatar in the top left corner. To delete the 3D Bitmoji, navigate to the upper right corner and tap the settings icon. Scroll down to locate the section related to 3D Bitmoji or anything similar. In this case, it's in the first area. Click on Bitmoji. Now you see several options: change my outfit, edit my Bitmoji, choose a selfie, and the last line, which is distinct, reads remove my Bitmoji. Click on it and then confirm by clicking remove once more. Your avatar will no longer be usable and it will prompt you to create a new one. If you wish to recreate it, you can choose the camera or perform other actions. Additionally, you can create a new Bitmoji avatar by going to Settings, selecting Bitmoji, and clicking on Create My Avatar. Follow the prompts displayed to customize your new Bitmoji. It's a straightforward process and I hope this video has been helpful to you. If it did, leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.